Now, your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Well, tomorrow's going to be pretty similar to today. A few more clouds, but temperatures pretty similar. A little better shot at some rain eventually by tomorrow night. Let's talk all about it right now. Good visibility's out there again. We've seen that a lot lately downtown, but then we've had other spots where it was fairly low. We're not seeing that tonight. Ever so slightly reduced out in Central Virginia, but you don't think that'll be a big problem around here. As you can see, things are sweeping clear, even though we have some of those low clouds around. We're going to keep those. I had originally said partly to maybe mostly cloudy. I've tweaked that a little, changed it to just mostly cloudy. Breezy, quite chilly tonight. Lows officially down to about 47 with that northerly wind. But once you get inland, it will definitely be a little bit cooler than that. Not by a lot. There won't be a huge swing. Right now, speaking of 47, we're pretty close to that number. We're at 49 right now. That northeasterly wind continuing to usher in the chilly conditions. Also a little bit gusty at times. You can see inland, it is considerably cooler. And when you get way inland and very rural, it's a lot colder, not just chillier. So watch for that a little bit later tonight. Pretty big spread from the coastline to back inland. We're going to watch also for some of these clouds that we've been tracking offshore to filter in every once in a while. We said earlier we thought that the clouds might be accurately depicted, but that for the most part we thought it was overdoing some of the rainfall amounts. I'm still thinking the same thing. Maybe a little bit of, rain showing up on radar, but for the most part, we're thinking probably not reaching the ground. Going to continue to say about 10% of us tomorrow, we think, have a chance of seeing some wet weather. By tomorrow night, though, the odds are going to go up a little bit as that system forms offshore and then quickly sweeps out to sea during the day on Thursday. Temperatures will be moderating on Thursday back up into the 60s. So pretty nice day compared to normal for this time of year before another front moves in and drops the readings again as we head toward the weekend. Although they're up and down even over the weekend. You'll see in just a second. 53 today at the Southside Airport. Same thing up in Newport News at Newport News Williamsburg International. You can see there's nothing that really pops out at you in terms of an organized storm. Well, there's some of that low-level cloudiness offshore. Doesn't go up very high with the bright white clouds, but some of those are eventually going to sort of get wrapped up into the system, and that's why we're saying mostly cloudy tonight. For 47 is a low, breezy and chilly. Tomorrow 54, varying amounts of clouds, still pretty chilly for this time of year, very similar to today. And then 65 on Thursday, but the rain chances, they increase by late in the day tomorrow to 20%, and then they're at 25% early Thursday before dropping into the afternoon. So a little bit of rain possible Wednesday night and then again Saturday night.
All right, thanks, Jeff.
Okay, Jeff.